Welcome. In this video, we are discussing self-resetting logic designing using CMOS circuits. This is similar to your domino logic, only the difference is that a feedback path is present from the output and it is connected to this transistor MR. Okay, this is a reset PMOS. This is a PMOS transistor. It is called a reset PMOS transistor. There is a delay chain. This chain provides a delay. So always there are odd number of inverters here. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. So always in the delay chain there will always be a odd number of inverter. Let's suppose the propagation delay of one inverter is Tp. So this delay chain is providing a total propagation delay of 3 Tp. Okay, so the first difference between the domino logic and the self-resetting logic is the presence of delay chain, and the output of this delay chain is connected to this reset PMOS transistor. The third difference is that the nFET logic is directly connected to ground. The nFET logic is directly connected to ground. There is no discharge NMOS FET. Okay, so first we will understand the pre-charge. There are two phases of operation, pre-charge and discharge. So pre-charge occurs when phi equal to 0. So this phi is nothing but is your clock signal. So in the pre-charge phase this phi is equal to 0. So let us understand the working of this self-resetting logic. So in the pre-charge phase this phi is equal to 0. So this transistor will be on. This transistor will be on. So your output Vx will, this capacitor will charge to voltage VDD. So Vx is equal to VDD. So this VDD is applied to this inverter and it is your output. So Vout will be 0 volt. So in the pre-charge Vout will be 0 volt. So this output will be VDD. This output will be VDD because there are 3 inverters connected. So the output of this inverter will be VDD. So this reset transistor will also be off. This reset transistor will also be off. So only this transistor will be on and it will charge the capacitor Cx to voltage VDD. This output will be 0 volt, and due to this the voltage here will be high or VDD. So your reset transistor will be off. Then the second phase is discharge phase. Discharge. So in the discharge phase phi is equal to 1. In the discharge phase phi is equal to 1. So depending on the nFET logic, this capacitor will discharge through this path. Depending on the nFET logic. Okay. So if the capacitor discharges through this path, then this voltage will go to 0 volt. Okay. So depending on the nFET logic, this capacitor will discharge. So Vx will go to 0 volt. If Vx goes to 0 volt, it is applied to this inverter. So it will go to high or voltage level VDD. Okay. So Vout will be equal to VDD. So this VDD is applied to this inverter chain also via this feedback loop. So this delay chain is nothing but a feedback. They are a feedback element. So this voltage will be 0 volt. This voltage will be 0 volt. So this transistor will now turn on. This transistor is off. The pre-charge transistor is off. The MR transistor will now turn on. So it will now cause a flow of current IDR, and this capacitor will again charge to voltage VDD. So what happened in discharge is that first this capacitor discharges through this loop. So Vx became 0, this Vout became VDD. So this transistor turned on after a delay of 3 Tp, where Tp is the propagation delay of one inverter. So after a delay of 3 Tp, this Vout goes to VDD, and after a delay of 3 TP propagation delay, this transistor turns on. So there will be a delay. V out goes to VDD, then there will be a delay of 3 TP. So this transistor turns on, and we can customize this delay using the appropriate inverter. So after this delay, this transistor turns on and this Vx again goes to VDD. So Vx goes to VDD, so V out will again reset to 0. V out resetting to 0, that is why it is called a self-resetting logic. After a propagation delay of 3 TP, this V out will automatically reset to 0. Automatically reset to 0. We have not resetted it, it automatically reset itself. How it reset itself? This V out was VDD, so this voltage is 0 volt, so a current IDR flows. So this current IDR charges this capacitor charges to VDD, so V out will go to 0 volt. So V out automatically reset itself, that is why it is called a self resetting logic. So output self reset itself after going to VDD. So what happens is that V out changes to VDD, then your MR turns on after 3 TP. CX charges to VDD, the capacitor charges to VDD, and V out goes to 0. So this is the self resetting sequence. This is the self reset sequence. Okay, V out goes to VDD in the discharge phase when phi equal to 1. Remember, when phi equal to 0, that is the pre-charge phase. This all happens in the discharge phase when phi is equal to 1. The phi is equal to 1. So this is in the discharge phase. What happens is the capacitor starts discharging if nFET logic supports. So this Vx goes to 0, this V out goes to VDD. After 3 propagation delay time, this MR turns on, the capacitor charges to VDD, V out goes to 0. So this is called as self resetting logic, and this is the self reset sequence. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can post your doubt in the comment box. Also share your feedback in the comment box, and if there is any topic which you want me to cover, then please post that topic name also in the comment box. Thank you, and please like and share and subscribe.